All right, boys and girls, I'm back. I have finished baking my dough heart. I pulled it out of the oven and I went ahead and I drew on what looks like 4 puzzle pieces, and I just used a pencil. So I went around and then I made like a little circle and then back around. Did the same thing on the next one, went down, drew a little circle, back down. And I did it on 1, 2, 3, 4 times on my heart. And if you need help, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, brother, sister, whoever's available could probably help you with this. It's just a few straight lines and then like a little hump, almost like whenever we make a cloud. I used a pencil so that I could go back and erase. It worked really well because whenever I messed up, I could erase it completely. So the next step would be after you draw your, let me zoom in a little bit more. After you draw your puzzle pieces would be to go back with a black marker and go over that line. You're gonna do this another time around, so if you mess up, it's okay, don't worry. You're gonna go over it again one more time. And again, if you wanted to use paint, you can use paint. This part might be a little bit harder, so you might want to use marker. And then around and back. And then the top one. And that's it. Now I'm going to go ahead and go down and I'm going to make this line go all the way around because I'm going to put this beautiful heart inside my flower bed. And then I'm going to go down here all the way down. Same thing here. And then one more down here. And here is our heart. Well, whatever shape you made, it might not be a heart. The colors that you will need to be using are red, yellow, green, and blue. And like I said, you are more than welcome to use markers or permanent markers, or if you have paint, you can go ahead and put some paint down on it. But I am going to use markers because that's what I have with all the colors that I wanted to use. So on this first puzzle piece near the bottom, I am going to use green. I'm just going to put a bunch of different little dots. They're going to be all different sizes, just like whenever we made our flower pots. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to put some little dots all the way around. And if you have different shades of green that you want to use, you can use more than one. That would be really cute. And this is all that you're going to do is just make little polka dots all the way around. And then you're going to go back and fill in more. And I will post a picture of the finished product, but for the time being, I'm going to go through and just make all of the bigger ones so that you guys can see. So I used green, and then I'm going to use yellow. And then I am going to use red. And then the last color that we are going to do is blue. And that's it. Like I said before, I'm going to go back and I'm going to add more polka dots to fill it in. But this is what your end product will look like, just with more dots. And then at the very last step, after I put more polka dots in so that I fill it in all the way around, is to go back with my black marker and outline the puzzle pieces one last time. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.